Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can customize chat theme on WhatsApp. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my WhatsApp and then we need to go to the WhatsApp setting. We can click on these three dots on the top right and then go to the settings. Okay, and you can scroll down until you find the chat setting. And here you will be able to customize your theme on WhatsApp. Just go to the theme menu and here you can choose either you want to use system default, light or dark theme. Okay, I'm just going to leave it like that. And then we can go to the default chat theme. Okay, and here you will be able to apply all of these themes on your WhatsApp chat. Okay, if you want to customize it, you just need to go to the customize menu. But wait, I'm going to try it guys. Okay, these are for the dark themes and these are for the light themes. Okay, and I'm just going to go to the customize menu and I'm going to go to the chat color. You can choose the chat color you want to apply to your WhatsApp chat. My current color is purple and I'm going to change it to for example red. Okay, this is how the theme looks like. Okay, we can customize the opacity and I'm just going to click on the check mark and we can go to the wallpaper to change the chat wallpaper. Okay, and here we'll have a lot of wallpapers for our WhatsApp chat and you just need to choose the wallpaper that you like. For me, I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, customize the opacity right here. Okay, oops, I'm just going to choose the red. Okay, and click on the check mark after you see the preview. Okay, and now my chat theme has been changed and I'm just going to go back to my chat to check it guys. Okay, this is the result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to customize chat theme on WhatsApp. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.